Most people get this wrong when comparing Chime and MoneyLion. They assume they're choosing between two banking apps. But that's not really what's happening. Here's the truth: no one tells you. These platforms overlap in some areas, but they're designed for very different types of users. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Chime and MoneyLion compare in 2026, including banking features, cash advances, credit building tools, investing options, fees, and which platform may be the better choice for your financial goals. Let's get straight into it. At a high level, Chime focuses on providing a simple and streamlined banking experience. Many users choose it for direct deposits, spending accounts, credit building features, and tools designed to help manage everyday finances. MoneyLion takes a broader approach. In addition to banking-related services, MoneyLion offers cash advances, investing features, credit building tools, financial tracking resources, and access to additional financial products. For example, imagine John wants a straightforward platform to receive his paycheck, pay bills, monitor spending, and keep things simple. Chime may fit his needs perfectly. Now let's look at Alex. Alex wants banking features, but he also wants access to investing tools, financial products, and cash advance options from the same app. MoneyLion may provide more flexibility for that type of user. But here's the problem. Many people focus only on one feature, such as cash advances. This is where most people fail. The app you use every day should match your long-term financial habits, not just your short-term needs. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest differences is complexity. Chime generally offers a cleaner and more focused experience. Users who prefer simplicity often appreciate having fewer features to manage. MoneyLion offers a wider financial ecosystem. That's great for users who want more options, but it can feel overwhelming for people who only need basic banking functions. That's an important distinction that often gets overlooked. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between them. First, let's talk about credit building. Both platforms have offered tools designed to help users build or strengthen credit history. However, eligibility requirements, product availability, and account qualifications can vary, so users should always review current terms before making a decision. Now here's the simplest decision framework. Choose Chime if your primary goal is easy banking, direct deposits, spending management, and a straightforward user experience. Choose MoneyLion if you want a broader collection of financial tools, including investing features, cash advance options, and additional financial services. The bottom line is simple. Chime is often better for users who value simplicity and everyday banking. MoneyLion may be a stronger fit for users who want an all-in-one financial platform with more tools available in a single app. The best choice depends on how you manage your money and which features you'll actually use. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which platform you're leaning toward and why.